Hey, Will Dano here. Today I'm going to talk about ninja walking, what it is, and how you can use it to smoothen your shaky footage regardless of what rig you're on. If you're already an experienced camera operator, you might already know this, but if you're not, let's get to it. Humans walk like this. The issue is there's a noticeable up and down movement because of how our feet hit the ground. So if you're filming while moving, part of the reason why you get unpleasant shake is because of the vibrations that your steps make. How do we lessen the vibrations? By ninja walking. As you can see here, there's an obvious advantage because of how much it reduces the up and down movement. This technique will work with pretty much any type of rig you're using except maybe a steady cam, but if you're on a glide cam, a shoulder rig, or handheld, this tip will come in handy. Ninja walking will make your shake a lot more manageable and less jittery. It also makes it a lot easier to stabilize in post. Here's some before and after B-roll. That's it for me. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.